Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 367 Stonefield Lane in Farmington with Victor Schools.
This is a spectacular property with a resort-style backyard. So let's take a tour. This spectacular home greets you with a grand two-story foyer with a palladium window, crown molding, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to an executive office with a transom window and a formal living room with wood moldings and newer tile floors.
This entertainment-sized great room has it all with the deluxe kitchen. With beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops with a breakfast bar, and beautiful hardwood floors, open to the morning room with a vaulted ceiling and a wall of windows, leading to an expansive formal dining room with wood moldings and tile floors, plus a spacious family room with a vaulted ceiling and a gas fireplace, all with an adjacent powder room and first floor laundry. The finished lower level provides great additional living space with multiple entertainment areas with an egress window, an office or potential bedroom, plus a gym area.
The second floor features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this luxurious master suite with a tray ceiling, a sitting area, and a spa bathroom with his and her walk-in closets and vanities. The architectural detail and quality of this home are just amazing. This stunning acre lot includes this private backyard paradise with an expansive deck and patios wrapping around the resort-style pool with beautiful landscaping. Stonewood is a neighborhood of fine homes located between Victor and Canandaigua Lake, with easy access to Monroe and Ontario counties and the Finger Lakes region.
Nearby many parks, golf courses, Eastview Mall, and the town of Victor. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 367 Stonefield Lane in Farmington.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!